Hello everyone, it's Sharon from Southside Miniatures. Today I'm going to make an attempt at my first shadow box. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to make it, I've decided, an Art Deco theme, and it's going to be part of a living room, which is going to be the fireplace with a mirror above. I'm going to have windows on the side, lights in it, lights in the fireplace. So hopefully it's going to turn out alright. I started off, I cut a piece of cardboard out to the same size as the shadow box that I've got, so I can work on that. I covered it in a green piece of paper, I just glued that to the back. I did print this shape off on the 3D printer, but you could always cut it out of cardboard if you wanted to. And I picked up some of these little embellishments which I got just from the pound shop, and they come in quite handy. And I decorated the mirror around with that. The mirror itself, I just got some of these sheets of plastic mirror glass, and you just peel off the back and they stick on, so that's quite handy. Then I'm going to cut, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut some strips, 1mm length strips, out of this piece of gold card that I've got, and I'm going to make a design on the wallpaper, so that will be my next step. I have got a string of lights which I got from the pound shop as well, and they've got like balls on them, so I've cut the balls off of them, and I'm going to use these as light decorations for my room. I'm just trying to source, you know, as much as I can from different places. These are the string of battery lights that I've got, and I will be using them in the fireplace and on the wall lights, so hopefully it'll all come together quite nicely. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting off some 1mm strips of the gold card and decorating my walls first before I put anything else on there, and then I'll come back to you in just a moment. Sorry about that. I mean, just before I go, I'd just like to show you what it looks like so far. That's the image I've got so far with the fireplace, which I put extra wood on the sides, and I cut some bits of wood to put the decoration on, and then painted it with acrylic paint. So that's how it's turned out so far, and then we'll carry on in the next step, and I look forward to seeing you. Okay, I've put the decoration on the back of the wall. As you can see, I've put strips of that. I did say 1mm in before, but I think 3mm I've done them at is a lot better. 1mm was a bit too thin. I've stuck the balls on for the lights, and I printed off a couple of frames here on the 3D printer, and printed off some photographs, some pictures there to stick in the frames. Also what I've done is I've made, I don't know whether you can see there, in the fire itself, I made some coal. I made that out of, oh, what's it called? Polymer clay. I cut up some bits and just put them in the oven for 10 minutes to harden, and I've just glued them into the fireplace to make it look like there's coal in the fireplace. The next step will be, I'm going to carry on this pattern, what I've done on the wallpaper there. I'm going to do it on the sides here to continue the same pattern around the room. I'm going to add a couple of plant pots down here, and then I'm going to feed my lights in to the box. I've just got a string of lights here, battery operated, and what I've done is I've painted two of the little bulbs red, so that they're going to poke through into the fireplace from the back, and I'll poke two lights into the balls as well, so we got some lights on the wall. I'll crack on with that, and then I'll come back to you and I'll show you once I've done that. Hi, before I carry on, I'd just like to say a big thank you to Karen K4793 and to Minnie's 1974 for their lovely comments that they sent through. I do appreciate all your comments, and it does make it seem worthwhile, and thank you to all our subscribers, it really does help. Right, on to the shadow box now. I did say before that I was going to cut out some more 3mm gold cardboard, which I did, to decorate down the sides of the shadow box, and I've done that on both sides, and I've put some plant pots one either side here and decorated them with a bit of gold paint and a little bit of gold knitting yarn there, just to spruce up the colours. So we'll put this in the shell of the shadow box now. So I'll pop that in, make sure it's the right way round. That goes in there like so. I have taken out the glass because the glass was giving a bit of a glare, and you couldn't really see it properly, but I will put that back in after I've shown you. The main bit there now, I've put the lights in, battery operated string of lights, and I've poked them through the cardboard at the back, and I've just taped that down to stop it flapping around. Hope you can see that. So they're all poked through, so I'll put that onto the back in there and I'll pop that in. Once that's all in place, there we go. That's it, and that's our finished shadow box. I hope you like it. I'll turn the lights on so you can see the effect it has with the lights on. There we are. And I think it's come out quite well. It looks quite effective. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and press that like button. We'd love to hear your comments if you'd like to pop the comment in the comments section down the bottom. And please join us for the next video. So yeah, thank you very much indeed for watching.